Hi everyone, my name is Tim Guay and welcome to my course, ICAgile, Test-Driven Programming Approach. I'm currently an Agile coach and Pluralsight author with courses in the ICAgile domain. Are you new to Agile programming or wanting to learn more about the topic? Do you want to learn about test-driven programming concepts such as test-driven development and behavior-driven development? Well, in this course, we'll work on getting you that knowledge. I'll help you learn all about test-driven programming and many of the concepts you should know. Some of these concepts will include applying behavior-driven development to drive the development of a product, using the three amigos concept to drive collaboration between the customer, the developer, and the tester, implementing test-driven development, the arrange, act, assert test pattern, the basics of refactoring, and many other concepts. By the end of this course, you'll know more about test-driven programming and will be able to both lead a behavior-driven development workshop as well as use test-driven development to rapidly develop quality code. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with an object-oriented programming language such as C# or Java and have the desire to learn more about test-driven programming. From here, you should feel comfortable diving further into the ICAgile programming track as well as other software engineering courses at Pluralsight, which will help you to solidify your knowledge and push you to increase your skills. I hope you'll join me on this journey and learn more about Agile programming with the ICAgile Test-Driven Programming Approach course at Pluralsight. Thank you very much and see you later.